Hello students, today we are going to deal with electrical energy and power, and it is good to know that work is done in pushing charge in the circuit, and we give work as VIT, voltage times current times the time. So where V is the voltage, I is the current, and T is the time. Now we already know that power is work done to push a charge per unit time. So we can say power is equal to work done to push a charge over time. So already we have the work done is VIT over the time. T and T will cancel, so power will be VI. Now from Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to IR and I is equal to V over R. So I can substitute. So if I have P is equal to VI from the previous case, I can say power is equal to, instead of V, I will say IR times I, and the answer will be I squared R. So power is also I squared R. So also we can say power is equal to VI. I substitute I with V over R. So power is going to be V times V over R. So it's going to be V squared over R. So power is equal to V squared over R. So in summary, I can say power is given as VI, as seen earlier. Power is also given as I squared R, as seen here. And power is also V squared over R. So the SI unit of power is watts. That is the whose symbol is actually W. So any value that we'll get will have watts to show that it is power. So we have examples. The first example is how much current does a bulb rated 100 watts and designed for a main supply of 250 volts when operating normally. So I know very well power is equal to VI. So in this case, I have the power of the bulb is 100 watts. V voltage is 250 times the current. So if I need the current, I'll say it's equal to 100 over 250, and the answer is going to be 0.40 amperes. Example 2, what is the maximum number of 100 watts bulbs which can safely run a 240 volts source supplying the current of 5 amperes? So this is the supply of the power. So the total power supplied is 240 times 5, which is going to be 1200 watts. So in this case, there are quite a number of 100 watts bulbs that are consuming this power. So I can say 100 times the number I don't know is equals to 1200. So if I get the number n, it's going to be 12, and the number is going to be 12 bulbs. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon.